Hi friends, in this video, I would like to share about how to make passive income online, even while you sleep through affiliate marketing. Before we start the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future exciting videos released. How does affiliate marketing work? The concept behind how to make money with affiliate marketing is that you help to sell other companies' products or services online. You earn a commission for every purchase thanks to your marketing effort. Making money while you're sleeping with affiliate marketing seems exciting and straightforward. But in reality, you will need to put in a lot of hard work and use the right methods that I've highlighted below to develop it into a passive income machine. First method, you need to research your niche market. By doing this step, you can determine the attractiveness and return on investment of the effort spent. Many new affiliate marketers have made the most common mistake of starting the journey without investing any time to plan and research the market attractiveness. Don't be like them. You should ask yourself a few crucial questions to choose your niche. Firstly, you must ask yourself this question: what am I enthusiastic about? This will make it more manageable to create content in the long run. Secondly, it would help to know whether the niche you want to focus on is oversaturated before investing your time and resources. Second method, create high-quality content that connects the needs and interest of your target audience. How do you start affiliate marketing with no money? You should invest your time and resources in blogging, as this is the most effective method to earn passive income without having to invest money in costly online advertisements. Some established affiliate networks may have some requirements, such as to hit specific site traffic and monthly website views before they can accept you into their program. Third method, look for the right products to sell. One of the most widely used strategies to find the right product is to spy on the competitors in your niche to see what type of product they are selling. You can try to get feedback from your target audience to find out the difficulties they face in their daily life. Locate the products in your affiliate network that can help your target audience to solve their problem. Pro tip on how to make money with affiliate marketing: if you'd like to promote the product you enjoy using, you can email the company, introduce yourself, and request for a revenue sharing partnership. For example, you can review the latest Bluetooth speaker that you just bought, or write a beginner guide tutorial on how to connect your laptop to your TV and insert an affiliate link to an HDMI cable page on Amazon. Fourth method, enroll in the list of popular affiliate programs and marketplaces that most of the affiliate marketers use. In WordPress hosting, there is SiteGround, WP Engine, DreamHost. In affiliate marketplaces, there is ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Marketing. Other affiliates include SEMrush, Elegant Themes, ThemeForest, Udemy, Aweber, and many more. Fifth method, what to avoid on the journey of success to make money with affiliate marketing. 1. Don't believe in those get-rich-quick schemes. 2. Misunderstanding the products or services that you're selling through affiliate marketing. 3. Avoid paying to join an affiliate network, as most popular networks are free. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future interesting videos released. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions for me, and I will reply to it.